Ayça, you know there are many different kinds of Turkish traditional art.
Met, these seem to me as if they are different drawings. Am I wrong?
In fact, you are right. However, these are different drawings. They're firstly drawn on the water but then moved to the paper from the surface of the water. These are just a few examples of the traditional Turkish art. In Turkish, it is called Ebru.
For example, this one, it seems very beautiful. Can you please explain me more about Turkish marbling art?
Of course. I will be pleased. Ebru or marbling art provides us a very different way of explaining our emotions. It can be shortly defined as the dance of colors and emotions on the water. It is an art of creating colorful patterns. The artist creates these drawings by sprinkling and brushing color pigments on a pan of oily water and then transforming this pattern to a special paper. Marbling art consists of certain patterns and effects in the production. By colors, before the colors, a different and condensed liquid is prepared with the use of a kind of herbal gum and by mixing it with water. On this water color floats and forms into patterns and shapes like drawings upon the surface. Then, these patterns and drawing-like shapes are taken off the water by laying on a sheet of paper.
Matt, do the artists usually try to use all colors in their art?
Yes, they usually use many colors, but most popularly used colors in marbling art are light green, red and yellow. The designs or motifs indicate their common pattern. The most frequently seen designs are flowers, foliage, ornamental and first quarter of the moon.
Sorry, Matt, do the marbling artists learn how to create these art products in the schools?
In fact, no. Ebru artists, themselves, play a crucial role for the practice and transmission of the element. They have the responsibility of transmitting their knowledge from one generation to the other. They do this mainly within the master and apprentice relationship. All the materials and equipment used in Turkish marbling art are made by the artists themselves. They are not evaluated as only responsible for transmitting knowledge related to practice of element, but they are also responsible for transmitting all specialized knowledge related to production of materials and equipment. The marbling art tradition has a great importance for Turkish society and culture. In the atelier, it has been performed. It improves the relationships and feeling of togetherness in the society. It also motivates the members of the society to be involved in common cultural activities and social meetings.